Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an element on Wix website. So this is a tricky video you can watch right now. Make sure you have subscribed this channel and turn on notification bell. You must be. So first, I need to log in wix.com Wix editor. So you can see this is my dashboard. Now I want to change and add a section on my website. So I want to add a section on here, so just click on add section. Then I want to add some testimonial for, because this is attractive and trust most people for buying and purchase any product. So I want to add some testimonial. Just click on testimonial, then just click on this element. Wow, if I scroll down, you can see this is a really good and attractive testimonial. So I want to quick edit. So if I want to change background, I want to change this background on this color. Oh, this is good. So if I want to delete some section on here, so just scroll down. If I want to delete this section, just click on right button, then delete. Wow, this is simple. So if you want more video, just type up, please comment below. See you again, take care, bye.